Good morning, kiddos. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. In the previous video, I have asked you to do something. Have you done that? Yes, I'm sure that you have spent your quality time with your grandparents and parents. Kids, you tell me the stories which you shared with your parents and grandparents. What they used to do when they were small, what were their dreams when they were small. You can share with me when we meet. Okay? But now we are going to continue with our study. Yes. So in the previous video, we saw finding the fractions of a number. That is, we saw multiplication, and then we saw reducing the fraction. That is, that you do by division. So we saw multiplication and division with fractions. And today we are going to see a very important topic from fraction. That is the types of fractions. Fine. So let's move on to the type of fractions. Now kids, there are three types of fractions. Okay, कितने type है fractions के? तीन type है. But important are two types. Okay, see, this is a proper fraction and this is the improper fraction. Now observe, what's the difference between the two? ये क्या है? ये proper इंसान दिख रहा है because the head of the person is normal. Wherein the second part, this is the improper person, wherein the head, जो सर है वो बहुत बड़ा है. So this is how you have to remember the name of the fraction and the quality of the fraction. Okay, what's the quality of proper fraction? Proper fraction की क्या quality है? उसका जो सर है, the head, that is the numerator. The head is the numerator. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. It's known as proper fraction. And when the head is bigger, that is, सर बड़ा है, that is the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now this fraction you must not have seen. Okay, ये possible है where the numerator is bigger than denominator. That fraction is known as improper fraction. उसका सर बड़ा है, numerator बड़ा है. Fine. And the third type of fraction is mixed fraction. Okay, we will deal with each type of fraction in detail. Fine. Let's move on to each one by one. Now first of all, I told you fraction is divided into three parts. Proper fraction first we will see. Proper fraction में उसका सर है, जो the head is proper, that is the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and these are certain example wherein 4 part is there and 1 is colored. This is 1/4. Fine, this is the example of proper fraction. More example, you have 3/4, 2/3 and 8/10. Okay, these are the examples of proper fraction wherein the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The head is proper. Okay, the other is improper fraction. Improper fraction means the head is improper. Head मतलब numerator. Numerator is improper मतलब numerator is bigger or greater than the denominator. That is 5/4. 5/4. The numerator is greater. Yes. So this is 5/4. Wherein the whole one part is colored. 4 section है इसमें. 4 part colored and 1 more 5 part is colored. See, numerator क्या होता है? हमेशा colored part होता है. So numerator 5 है, तो इसमें क्या है? 4 part plus 1, that is 5 part, and the figure is divided into 4 section, that is why it's 4 here, that is 5/4. Fine, this is improper fraction. Let's move on, more example. Then 7/6. 7/6. 6 is the denominator, so you have to divide it into 6 parts, and you have to color how many part? 7 part you have to color. So this is 6 plus 1, 7. This is improper fraction, 7/6. Fine. Now let's have the example of mixed fraction, the third fraction. अब ये जो नाम है mixed fraction, क्या mix करना है? Okay, you have to mix something to have mixed fraction. So you have to mix whole number, मतलब एक पूरा number and a proper fraction. See, this is the example. Now when mixed fraction में क्या mix करना है? दो चीज mix करनी है. एक तो whole number जो 2 है and एक fraction that is A fraction which is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction is called as a mixed fraction. ये दो चीज का मिक्सचर है, होल नंबर और फ्रैक्शन का. Let's see the other example, 3 and 3/7. So 3 part is full, this is whole. Can you see 3 whole circles are there? So this is the whole number, 3 is the whole number and 3/7 is a fraction, मतलब a part of the whole. fraction क्या है? 3/7. 3 part whole circle में से, which is divided into 7 parts. So this is the part of the fraction, part of the whole, and this is the whole thing. Fine. So this is a mixed fraction. Let's see other example. 2/1/4. दो पार्ट पूरे है, that is the whole part is there, 2 whole part, and from the third part you have taken only 1 section, 1 out of the 4th. Okay, so this is the example of mixed fraction. So what we saw? Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction we saw. Okay, so proper में head is proper, that is numerator is smaller, and improper में numerator is bigger, and mixed fraction में whole number and the fraction is there. Fine. Now we are going to see how you convert improper fraction and mixed fraction. अब improper fraction क्या है? Converting तो you know. Okay, but improper fraction क्या है? Yes, very correct. Improper fraction मतलब improper sir. मतलब numerator is bigger, 11 is there. See, this is the example of improper fraction. Numerator is 11, 5 is the denominator, but the numerator is bigger. So this is improper fraction and mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में क्या होता है? Mix होता है, एक whole number mix होता है और एक fraction mix होता है. So this is example of mixed fraction. See how it's written, kids. Fraction के बीच वाला जो line है उसके बाजू में you have to write 2. Okay. Now we are going to see how you convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and how you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. See the arrows here. Fine. So let's move on. First of all, we will see the example. Okay. Now don't get confused. We will see step by step. Okay. Now this is 13/5. 13 बड़ा है 5 से. So सर बड़ा है. So which is this fraction? This is improper fraction. Okay. Now improper fraction you have to change into the mixed fraction here. See. Now how ma'am is doing. Now this you know, 13/5 means 13 divided by 5, that तो you know. Yes. So क्या करना है? Simple division करना है. 5 बाहर लिख के 13 अंदर लिखना है, and 5 2s are 10. And when you minus it, you get 3 as a remainder. Fine. This much is easy. This is division. You have to perform division. Now, only you have to be careful while writing the quotient, denominator, and divisor. You remember that the divisor is equal, dividend is equal to the quotient multiplied by divisor plus the remainder. Yes. That's the thing you have to do here. Okay. Now see, the quotient is 2, means 2 is a whole number because 5 multiplied by 2 will give you 10. So दो part तो full होंगे, whole होंगे, and the remainder is 3. So the remainder you have to take it as the numerator, and this is the whole part. The 2 is the whole number, and the remainder is remaining. Yes. So 3. And the 5 is the denominator. Here 5. Okay. Now see, easy way I am telling you. ये जो question है, 5 is the denominator. The denominator remains the denominator as it is. Okay. So 5 will be 5 as it is, and the remainder, that is 3, will be the numerator, and the quotient will be the whole number. Fine. We will do more sum and you will remember that. So this I got as a mixed fraction. So what we saw? We are seeing improper fraction converting into mixed fraction. Fine. Let's move on. That is 13/5 will be 2/3/5. Now this 2, no students, you have to write, you don't have to write this way. Okay, it's not possible for me to write in the computer. Okay, so I have written like this way, but 2 here you have to write. See how it's written here, वो जो line है ना उसके बीच में you have to write. Okay, so this is 2 3/5, 2 whole part and 3/5. Okay, let's move on for converting on to the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा, improper fraction को mixed fraction किया. Now we will see mixed fraction turning into improper fraction. Fine. So here is the example of mixed fraction wherein 4 and 1/3. This is the example of mixed fraction. Now in this what you have to do, see 4 3 you have to multiply here and you have to add here. See the arrow here and you have to multiply. See the arrow here, then you have to divide. Okay, now see, then you have to keep the denominator as it is. Now ma'am is telling you, see 4 3 4 are 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13 and 13 by 3 you will get. Fine. See the other example, 2 1/7. Fine. So 7 is to be multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14 and then the answer is to be added to 1, that is 1. So you will get 15. And here it's 7, it's not 4, it's 7 here. It's a printing error. Okay, it's 7 here. So 15 by 7 you will get. Fine. Don't get confused. I am solving more sums. Fine, you will get to know. Now this is the mixed fraction and this you have got as a improper fraction. That is, you are turning mixed fraction into improper fraction. And how you do that? You multiply first and then you add that. And you keep the denominator as it is. Fine. Let's move on to exercise 8.6, wherein I have taken the second part, that is 33 by 5. Now this is improper fraction and you have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. तो ये तो division है, 33 divided by 5. So simply you have to divide 5 divided by 33. So 3 will not go, 5 0 times will give me 0 and 3 will come and then 3 I will bring it down and 33 कब आएगा, 5 6 are 30 and then I will get 3 as a remainder. Now it's representation time. ठीक है, division तो आपको आता ही है. How you will represent? Now see, 5 is the denominator, you will keep 5 the denominator as it is and 6 is the quotient. Okay, so 6 is the whole part, 6 will come sideways. This is the whole number and this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So you will write mixed fraction is this. 6 is the side wala part, 6 will be written inside and the remainder will be written as a numerator and the denominator will be as the same. Okay. Now taking the next question, that is 41 by 6. So you will divide it. 6 divided by 41. So 6 zeros are 0 first of all and then you will get 41 and 6 6 are 36 will be possible and you will get the remainder as 5. Now the 6 is the whole number and the 5 is the numerator and the 6 is the denominator. Okay, this 6 is the whole number, the quotient 6. Okay, and then you will write it likewise. The whole number will be on the side and the remainder will be the numerator and the denominator will be as it is. This 6 will be as it is. Are you getting? Okay, fine. Now let's have the other section, that is exercise 8.6 में the third part I have taken, wherein you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now see, this is the mixed fraction. Okay, I have written here for you to remember it. So जब भी we move the denominator, you will multiply and then you will divide it. Sorry, then you will add it. Okay, so what I'll do, 9 fours are 20, 9 fours are 36. Okay, and then plus 2, 36 plus 2 will give me 38, and then 38 by 9. The 9 will be written as it is. Clear? Yes. Okay, let's see the next, that is 7 by 2/3. Now what I'll do, 3 sevens are 21, 21 plus 2 will be 23, and the answer will be 23 by 3. ठीक है ना? See here it's multiplication, here it's addition. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, and the answer 21 will have addition of 2, that is 23 it will become, and then 23 by 3 will be my answer. So this is the mixed fraction, and this is my improper fraction. This is the mixed fraction, this is the improper fraction. Now the third one, that is 8 and 4/5. Okay, so 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4 44, and my answer will be 44 by 5. So that's how we will do. 40 you will get by 8 by 5, 8 multiplied by 5 you will get 40, and 40 plus 4 will give me 44, and my final answer will be 44 by 5. So this mixed fraction is changing into improper fraction. And how you are doing that? You are doing it by multiplying and then adding. So remember kids that denominator जो होता है वो as it is रखना है. Okay, and here you have to multiply and you have to add. With this I am giving you the exercise 8.6 as your homework. Okay, only one sum is remaining, two sums are remaining, 3 I have solved with you. Okay, I hope you will do it by your own. You are smart students and I know you will do it.